So, I finally got the parts for my RC car. I ended up having to get an entire rear drive shaft, what it's called. And I've already taken my car apart a little bit because I had to take the part in to show them what it was. But hopefully this won't take too long to put in, and we'll be able to go drive today. So, they gave me all the parts to replace the entire rear drive shaft thingy-mabobbers. But I really only need this one little piece, and it's this piece right here just snapped. So I'll replace that right there, and then hopefully, if it doesn't rain too much, we'll be able to go drive. So I'm gonna put these in. Okay, let's get this cover off. Where did I put the tool? There it is. I think I have it fixed, put the new parts in. So, new part right there, hopefully works just fine. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up when I took it all apart. But now, put the rest of these parts in the parts bin. And I think we can go drive, because let's see, what's battery at? 8.2, yep, we can go drive. So, let's put all the tools away, and then we're gonna go drive. Okay, let's see if I can work one of these cool YouTube transitions. body off the car, and boom, we're ready to go. Now let's take this car and go hit some jumps. So it is the next day. I was gonna finish the video yesterday, but it ended up raining and I didn't want to drive my car in the rain. It wouldn't be too much fun. So we're gonna finish the video today and have some fun. Okay, that did not go as planned. I did not think it was gonna destroy the jump. Oh, let's try it again. Well, the car survived, but the jump did not. So, let's just go drive the car.